Hello guys, I know I hardly do intro or talk through on my tutorial these days. Guys, bear with me. I've been dealing with the baby videos. It's been quite tricky, so I'm finding a balance to everything. So for my eyeshadow base, I'm going to use Gerard Cosmetic in there. It's pretty nude. So guys, how have you guys been? How's life? You know, everything has been crazy these days. Coronavirus, different things happening in the world. Don't know, guys. I'm trying to keep my mental health stable, because when you keep thinking about things happening in the world, you might just have mental breakdown also, because it's quite depressing, guys. But you just find happiness in everything that you do. It's really creamy on the eyes. Just going to pat that. Then for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Juvia Place eyeshadow palette. Keep it neutral. So I'll use some colors on this palette on my eyes. And I'm using this brush by Fenty to just apply that. Guys, please give me suggestion of makeup tutorial you guys want to see, or things you want to see in my channel. I've been off for about 9 months or so, or 10 months, so I'm really struggling with things to upload, and I won't say it's been easy building up the pigment of that color in the eyes. I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to cut my crease a bit. I'm going to take the shade. If you have this palette, you can recreate this look if you want. The shade, I use that to deepen the crease of where I cut the crease. So I'm just doing the second eye. So for eyeliner, I'm going to use Huda Beauty because it's 2-in-1, makes life easy. Use the eyeliner part to outline my waterline. Then I'm going to use the liquid part for the top of my eyes. I won't say this is really black. It's not the blackest eyeliner I've used, but gets the job done. And the fact that it's 2-in-1, so I'm always going for this now. So guys, I'm done with the eyes. I'm just going to apply lashes. Maybe I'll just show you guys the lashes I'm going to be using. I'll leave the name at the description bar. Everything are always listed at the description bar below. Also have a glue. The company has a glue. I'm going to try using the lash glue today because I always use my Kiss lash glue. But it's good to try something new. So I'm going to try this lash glue. I'll leave that to get tacky while I finish up my face. Just going to dust this powder off my face, then apply setting powder. I really like this powder. I've been using it of late. And it gives you coverage and it blends well with any concealer I'm using. I want my cheekbone to be a snatch, but it's looking good. This Tammi S Revolution palette is nice because that is what I used for my bronzer. Spray my face. The new Huda Beauty setting spray. I'm going to use this. This is what I used as a primer. So this is what I also use. Amazing. This smells really good. Expect a dewy look, so it's not a matte look. I'm not going anywhere today, so it's supposed to give you a dewy finish. Yeah, it's not a matte. They have the black one that makes your makeup stay long. That black one is magic. Lash glue is really nice. So write the link at the description bar. It sticks. I can even feel it. That is, my lashes is not going to fly away, and this lashes is beautiful. Oh, then I'm going to apply highlighter. Maybe I should just use this one on this palette. Why not? I use the one in the Tammi S Revolution palette. I take the shade right here. I was not prepared for that. Ooh, child. This one you definitely need a lip liner with it. Try it with a lip liner. So thank you for watching this makeup tutorial. I used the lip gloss on my lip for Juvia's Place. Name will be at the description bar. So this is how the final look of the tutorial looks like. It looks nice, neutral. You can actually wear this on your wedding day. You can wear this out to the market. You can wear this out to anywhere you're going. Just kidding. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remember this. Bye guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.